Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick comparison video about these two platforms, which is TotalPassword and Sticky Password. So I'm going to help you decide which of these password manager will be the best option for you in 2025. So at the same time, I'm going to create a quick overview, the strength, the weakness about these two platforms to help you make an informed decision on which of these options will be the best for you. So to get started with the overview, TotalPassword is a newer password manager developed by TotalAV, offering essential security features like autofill password generator and a breach alert in clean, beginner-friendly package. Talking about Sticky Password on the other side is a powerful, long-established password manager focused on privacy, offering local storage, offline sync, Wi-Fi, and a one-time lifetime license option. Now, talking about TotalPassword, revealing the strength and the weakness of this platform. So, talking about the strength of this platform, it has a clean, easy-to-use interface. It also offers a breach alert and a dark web monitoring. It also includes across device syncing and autofill. Now, talking about the downside, still relatively new with limited track record, no advanced features like local-only storage or password sharing controls. Mostly ties to TotalAV ecosystem. Now, talking about Sticky Password on the other side, revealing the strength and the weakness of Sticky Password. So starting with the strength, it has a local Wi-Fi, sync, and offline mode. It also supports all major platforms. Lifetime license available, no subscription needed. Talking about the downside, the interface feels dated and lack advanced team or business features, and also there's no lack of web monitoring. So here's the overall conclusion about me to this platform. So if you want a modern, easy to use manager with a security alert and integration with your antivirus suite, you can just go for TotalPassword. Then on the other side, if you want a value local storage and offline access and you want to avoid ongoing subscription cost, just go for Sticky Password. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.